Today, we're going to do a fireside chat with the man that most of you all know as the angry one on This Week in Google.
Hey, who's angry here?
Previously on TWiT. Hands-on photography.
I challenged you. You stepped up for the challenge. Yep, we're talking about the Moon Photography Challenge. You guys sent in a bunch of different images. I'm only going to show you a handful of them.
Tech News Weekly.
So what does an NFT of a tweet mean? I don't know, but Astavi paid $2.9 million for it. The punchline is that he is now trying to sell it, and the best offer he got was actually $10,000.
For $10,000, do you find value in Dorsey's original tweet?
I think I would pay $2.80.
Okay.
Nice.
Could have started there.
This Week in Google.
Gilbert Gottfried passed away at the young age of 67. Way too young.
Yeah, very disturbing.
Here's the real Gilbert Gottfried playing Microsoft's favorite mascot.
Office XP, eh? Well, we'll just see about this. Hey, you! It looks like you're writing a letter. Would you like...
Beat it.
TWiT.
Hey, you!
You heard me.